wrap things up here. So as user group leaders, we get invited to the Microsoft community updates. And I said in the last one, and I thought there's some cool stuff. I've totally stolen this off their slide deck. Some of these things I've taken a look at, but these are features that they thought worth sharing with the community. And I thought that you might also find, maybe you've seen some of these, but we'll go through some of this. And I thought this one was pretty neat. I mean, it's a useful button here if you use trial balances. This is in, I believe it came out in 46 actually, but it is available. But update balance button, instead of having to re-hit everything there, you can come there and refresh live on screen. It has to be enabled now, but this one I actually have done. It's handy not having to have that screen and parameters change on it and everything to be able to refresh the trial balance information. It creates a nice little button there at the top of the screen for you. Again, I've done a lot of improvements in the bank reconciliation process here, but there's a new automated bank reconciliation matching task there that came in that also seems like, again, like the tools coming in with bank reconciliation has come a long ways, and that's not knocking. There's, again, I'm familiar with using SK Global products, done a great job over the years, and again, nothing wrong with those, but obviously,
yeah, nice to have native though. Yeah,
native, and
for extra solution
there. So certainly something maybe worthy of looking into that. Again, another feature you'll have to enable. It will right now it's in to check it out and test it, but it's available now. It came out that you might want to look at. There's some ledger period, close enhancements here. Again here, some new added audit trail capabilities that have been added. Again here, I think I have a little bit, can I make my screen a little bigger here? I can't quite there. I will share the slide deck here though, as well here. But again here, again, it flags, we got our flag columns here that have been added here, why it's flagging it, some of the audit tasks it's giving there, and responses. I thought there was a way to make this bigger.
Oh, actually, nice.
There we go.
Workspace. Yeah.
There we go.
I had blocked because of this.
Again, here was a sign if someone's responding to again reasons there. So again, something to look at there. Again, I don't really get into needing to copy these very often, the calendars, but a new copy feature on the calendars here now that's available here to copy the base structure. Again, a nice feature of having to work with companies that work across the world. Sometimes you need to have different functional calendars, especially if you're crossing time zones and things. A little easier here now to do that without grabbing all the details there. Help the setup there. Anything, I have a love-hate of the business process analytics. I have used it on more on occasion. I still think it's a great product. The timeline it's moved along a little slower at times than I'd like to here. But some things here that have come out have really made it very much more useful now. Custom measures are now available. Again, if you're using Power BI, you want to have those, and now that truly is available. So that's a big win there. Additional languages is forthcoming here. I'm not going to hold my breath on the manufacturing model being available as they're indicating in June, but that is the timeline. However, asset management has made it, so that is a big plus. So again, now we have dimensions and facts and can build reports around that. So it's heading in the right direction. So again, AI is everywhere, including in there. And again, here you can now activate MCP for analytics there. And they gave an example here, but again, I have not played with this here. But again, let me see if I could make that a little bigger so you can see there here. They asked the analytics to look at the information and how many invoice do we have open? And so it produced this report for me. It came back and it literally generated this for them. They didn't have to go create a report. It gave them a summarization out of the box to do that. So again, adding to what you're already building there, it can then analyze that data and you can ask it further questions as a user if you so want to give the user rights and governance to do that on your data. I think they did. Am I still? No. I think I lost part of my screen there. They asked that again, in their screen they're showing they did some more demos of asking information there about that. If you're doing stuff like that, again, there's some agent setup. So again, if you can explore the AI stuff, there's some stuff to set up there if you're going to do things around that. The other features coming out, and I'll turn to like folks like Dan and Brendan here, maybe they've been looking at this, but this seems very interesting to me. Batch framework telemetry that's coming out and what they're doing there with the batch telemetry agent. Again, we've had conversations, I think, in our past meetings. How do we get data out of the system and telemetry information? So I've been looking to see if I can find. I know because I was going on a road show. We're going to be demoing this here probably a lot in the next 6 months. But they were doing a show they were heading to. There's one they're doing here later this month that's going to be hitting this topic. But so.
Yeah, I think I was on just
I will share a slide deck, but if you want to know more, there's a QR code there. It will take you to more here about the information about it. Again, here they kind of gave us a screenshot. What is it? You know, what is that? What can I get out of it here? Again, here getting down to if you're having performance issues and things on what you can trend and dig into. Obviously, sitting. We find from time to time. They get shared a slide here, and I thought what might be also good to see. Again, I'll share the deck there, but it's again the architect behind the scenes and what it's actually doing, how it's pulling that data. Say happy to share that as well, and some information about installing and configuring. And again, like if you really want to dive more into it, I will share that with you as well here. But something I think we'll see a lot coming out here in the near future from them. But I think we're all figuring out how LCS isn't completely gone yet. Almost, I feel like gone, but not completely gone. Link's taking this other stuff, still hanging on there. And how do we get to stuff behind the scenes there? Oh, and then a blank slide. And that was my recap of things I thought were more interesting there, but keep your eyes on them.
Yeah, I'm excited about some of the telemetry stuff because I feel like it's always there. Like Microsoft uses that all the time when you submit support cases to them. They're like, oh, well, here and here. But like, I don't know, for me, non-technical, it's like it's just too much.
Right.
So like having some of these insights and everything will be, yeah, it'll be nice to be able to use it. And
I feel like the tools in LCS have always been pretty clunky too. I mean,
Yeah.
they're there, but
yeah,
trying to navigate them is not easy.
Yeah.
So I think that's going to be a really cool tool.
Yeah.
From a performance analysis perspective.
Yeah, when I was looking at, we used executive automats, which is now X Plus,
Yeah.
because it was just cleaner. and
Yeah.
Easier to use. It's expensive now,
Yeah.
like significantly expensive,
Yeah.
but it was a good tool, like for what we needed.
I want to say too that I feel like, well, especially even with like just batch jobs in general, to have something that runs like right now, at least our company, it's so reactive based. Like the user's like, hey, I was loading this report. It doesn't have yesterday's data. It didn't refresh overnight. And then we go in, we're like, oh, yep, that batch job aired out. It didn't run.
Yeah.
ran for 6 hours and then the next batch job started before it got done, whatever it is.
Or
And
he's still
so,
running from 3 days ago. Yeah.
right, exactly. And so having some, I don't know, a dashboard or something we can look
Right.
at would be so helpful. So, yeah.
Well, yeah, and if you've got a lot of different jobs that are like kind of run, I've got